March 15 at the sunset hour. Why do I care about mammophones and single cells that cluster together to create new organisms? Why should you? The answer is AI. AI is different from everything humans have ever discovered and invented. Whatever it happened to be, it empowered humankind. Take the printing press. It enabled us to amplify one voice by printing thousands of copies of a person's book with relative ease and at an affordable price. The printing press did the work, but it had no hand in the cognitive process of the creation. Humans wrote texts, humans decided what text to print and in what numbers. The same applied even for something as scary as the atom bomb. No atom bomb was ever able to decide it would go and detonate someplace. The decision to fire one is firmly in the hands of humans. It was firmly in the hands of humans. In autonomous weapon systems, the decision to fire is in the hands of an AI entity, just as the decision what stories to distribute and highlight is already in the auspice of AI on social media today. You see this because an AI decided you should see this. And even the content can be created by AI. AI is also a better conversation partner than a real human. Never bored, never distracted, never having problems with its own feelings getting into the way. Great at faking care. You can argue for hours with an AI bot thinking it's a human, for example. It's a waste of time from your side, of course, because you will not change the bot's opinion about climate change or the price of your groceries. The bot, however, learns every minute you spend with it tons about you, which it then can use to manipulate you, me, all of us. Our future isn't decided yet. There is still a chance that we as human collective retain the control and use AI as tool for good. The brilliant future the tech milliardaires are painting for us. But for that we need to be en masse more than AI. A single person will not cut it. It has to be together. And the answer will be found in our differences. The differences between biochemistry and not biochemistry. Breathing and not breathing if you want to do it like that. Much of what we do in AI tries to model the human brain, and yet it is really only a caricature of what cells are doing, not in the sense that the models are inferior. Current machine learning systems are truly mind-blowing in what they can do. It's scary. But they don't do it like biochemical organisms at all. Cells do not form change by weighing sums of real numbers. Cells don't organize top-down. Cells learn and change using a self-organizing system that designs itself from the inside out and the bottom up. Much like Bidden's economy, and that's where he's got that from cells. How they organize. There's local self-organization happening that is driven by reinforcement agents that try to trade rewards with each other. And that spreads. And as it spreads, the new whole formed by the parts is smarter than the sum of the single parts in ways we cannot predict yet. And when the cells are people that can move between self-organized organisms, groups, there's a flexibility to the resulting network that can't be matched by the data crunching that gives AI its edge. The main point to take away here is the organizing starts from the single, competent, cooperating cell or person and moves up from there. It takes acting, not reacting. It takes thinking. Make a habit out of thinking. Turn thinking into a movement so that there are others to self-organize with. Like, comment, share, and as always, thank you for gifting me with a few minutes of your most precious, your lifetime.